Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account here in Salesforce. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Salesforce sign up page and then click the try for free option or click the start free trial button, because that would lead you to the sign up form. From here, you need to provide your information as accurately as you can. Fill in your first name, your last name, job title if that applies, or job role. For example, are you a sales manager, marketing, software engineer, student, job seeker, or maybe personal interest? Like if you're looking for an opportunity here in Salesforce, we have a separate video on how to apply for a Salesforce job and even put your resume. You might want to check that in our channel. But for now, I'm gonna click on others. This is very important. You need to put in your work email. In my case, I'm gonna put in you need to provide your company if that applies, or how many of your employees. All right, for example, it's going to be 1 to 5. I'm going to put in our company. That's going to be D Labs. Of course, you can need to provide your phone number. And here on the choose your trial, you have two options. If you would like to try the sales features, or you'd also like to try the customer support features. I'd like to try the sales features. I need you to click on you agree to the main services agreement. As you can see, you might want to read and understand what's inside this agreement. If you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on start my free trial. You need to put in the phone number. Now, once you have filled in all the fields and click the sign up button, all right, you need to activate your account. Then I need you to check your email, the email associated with the account that you have created your Salesforce, because you will receive an email from the Salesforce team to verify your email address, like this one. All right, and again, all I have to do is click on the activation link in the email. If you click that, all right, the activation link will take you to a page where you can set your password and security questions. Of course, from there, enter a password that meets the Salesforce requirements, usually a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Now, after that, you'll receive another email, which is the welcome email that says you are ready to go. All right, you can try the Salesforce CRM trial. All right. And after that, all you have to do is click this button right here to log in, and that would lead you to your account. All right. You see this? Click on log in. You'll be taken to the Salesforce homepage. Of course, you can explore standard objects like accounts, contacts, opportunities, and more. Your dashboard, reports, codes, tables, marketing dashboards, and sales. Now, in the sales, if you hover your mouse, there's like a grayed out circular buttons, but if you hover your mouse here, they become colorful circular buttons. That is the app launcher. If you click it, you can navigate to various apps and features, right? If you click on view all, these are some of the navigation that you can work with, all right? You can visit the app exchange if you wanted. Click that so that you can navigate to various apps and features. You see that? Explore apps. These are some of the sponsored solutions. Okay. Now, after that, hover back to the main dashboard, wherein if you click on the upper right corner, there's going to be a gear icon, and there's a setup option. Now here, on the left side is the quick find. All right. You can basically click on the object manager, wherein you can create custom objects, fields, workflows, and Apex codes. All right. These are going to be some of the things that you can do with the object manager. You can have a schema builder. If you click that, you're going to be reverted to this option, but you make sure you have access to the Salesforce Developer Console for running anything here. This is a little bit technical, all right? But if you don't have that knowledge, just skip that. You also have the option for mobile publisher. This is going to be your account, and so this is your account, mobile publisher, and real-time collaborative docs. So you have all of these, right? Now, making yourself familiar with the Salesforce will quickly give you an advantage on navigating all these features for you to take advantage to. Now, on the left side is the platform tools. You have the apps, feature settings, Heroku, Einstein. If you click that, the Einstein AI, and that's going to be one of the analytics platform tools. Right here. Click on the home. If you wanted to read more some documentations, if you have questions here to be familiarized with some of the topics, click the question mark. That would lead you to the help and training, some documentations and guides, and of course, if you have further questions or encounter any problems with your Salesforce account, you are welcome to contact the Salesforce support team. Now here, simply you can create a case if you encounter any problems along the way. This is a sign-up form for you to create a case, submit, and click on create a case. And you can simply contact support. You also have the option to join the community, wherein these are some of the programmers, web developer. All right. Just simply continue with email so you can gain insights, information, and sometimes career opportunities here in the Salesforce. And eventually, if you decided to be part of the Salesforce company and wanted to have a growth and career, you are always welcome to visit the Salesforce careers. And we have a long and lengthy video for that you might want to check in our channel. All right. So you have a lot of things after setting up your Salesforce account by using your email, navigating to the dashboard, and be familiar with how it works. All right, because in no time you'll be able to become an expert and you can start a budding career here in Salesforce. And if you wanted to dive deep into the Salesforce product pricing, you might want to check on the small business sales service. Click on sales. These are some of the pricing that you can work with. And again, these trials usually last for 30 days and are ideal if you want to evaluate your Salesforce for a specific use case before purchasing. There's going to be an option here for the chat if you wanted to get more knowledge. All right. And ask them some questions if you want. Okay. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.